Alright everyone, let's dive right in and learn how to request money using your Revolut Junior account. First, open your Revolut app and make sure you're logged into your Junior account. This is where all the magic happens. Tap on the Accounts section. It's usually the first icon on the bottom navigation bar. Inside the Accounts section, you should see your balance and various options. Look for the Request icon, often represented by a symbol that resembles a plus sign with an up arrow, and tap it. This is where you begin the process of asking for funds. Now comes the fun part. You'll see a screen designed for requesting money here. You'll need to select the person you want to request money from. You can scroll through your contacts, or use the search bar at the top to find the exact person you want to send the request to. After choosing the contact, you'll be prompted to enter the amount you want to request. Simply type in the amount of money. Just below that, you'll find an option to add a memo, allowing you to specify what the money is for, like movie tickets or owed money. This is a great way to keep everything clear. Once you've entered the amount and added your message, optional but recommended, there will be a send request button. Tap on it, and your request will be sent directly to the person you selected through the Revolut app. And that's it. You've successfully requested money. The person you requested it from will receive your request through their Revolut app, and they can quickly send you the funds. This whole process makes managing your finances quick and easy. Thanks for watching.